channel. I am Tangela Tashell. If you are new here, consider becoming a subscriber and like and comment on this video because I'm on the road to 1K, hopefully. Anyway, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for riding the train with me. We are going to be doing some home updates today. I'm going to be updating some lighting in my home. No electrician because I am my own electrician, especially with these prices in this economy. But I did everything safely. I turned off the power. Excuse me, y'all. I talk with my hands a lot. Yeah. But I'm going to go through basically a voiceover in this video, and I'm going to talk you through everything. I'm not showing the very way that I connected the wires because I'm not a licensed electrician. I don't want anybody electrocuting themselves and then saying it was my fault, etc., etc. But for the most part, I do show you step by step. I got the light from Amazon. I go through everything in the video from start to finish. So make sure you watch the video all the way through so you can figure out how I installed this light. So see you soon. This is the light that was initially on my ceiling. I got this from Amazon also, but I didn't measure it and the light looked crazy. It was extremely small. The lighting was very, very pretty, but I'll be using this in my upstairs closet, which I will do another video on showing you how I installed this chandelier as well.
I can hear the tears when they drop over the phone. Get mad at yourself cause you can't leave me alone. Gossip, get messy, it ain't what we doing. Traveling around the world, over the phone dropping tears. I get my phone when I can tell.
That was everything that came inside the box with the lights. Please make sure you read the instructions in their entirety. When you're installing light fixtures, anything that's dealing with electrical wiring, it can be dangerous. In my garage is where the circuit breaker is. When you look at your circuit breaker, it'll tell you where everything is located, where to turn the power off, and which knobs to switch off. Make sure even though you switch the knobs off, you're also turning off the light switch. So I'm just looking very carefully, making sure I'm turning off the right switches. The numbers are on the side, so everything is lined up. So you really can't go wrong with turning the lights off unless you're really not paying attention. And I would hope that when you're playing with electricity, you will want to pay attention. So here I am just switching on and off the light switches, double checking, triple checking to make sure that I have everything off. All right, now we're going to open the light fixtures. And as you can see, I'm still looking at the directions. I'm never going to stop looking at the directions because I need to make sure everything is everything.
Did I ever ask you to take me to go shopping in Paris or go sailing overseas and just drape me in Gucci? No. All I ever asked was you to pick up the phone when you alone. All I ever asked was you to.
These are the legs of the light. This part was a bit tedious. You want to make sure that you don't strip the wires that are inside. And I really thought that I was only going to take about an hour to put this whole light together. But once I opened it and I really got into it, I realized that it wasn't a joke. This light took me between 2 to 3 hours to put up. Also, it came with extenders. I don't have a high ceiling, so I wound up not using the extenders. But I didn't find out I wouldn't use the extenders till I actually put the entire light together. Here I'm just showing you the cords, the power sources. You got your black cord, you got the white cord, and then you have your grounding cable, and everything was pretty much self-explanatory. You just had to really take your time. So I'm just going to take the wires and I'm going to guide it through the extender. Again, I didn't use the extender because my ceilings are low. If you have really high ceilings, then the extenders will definitely work for you. This part, as I said, as you see me struggling here, my daughter did not want to help me, so it was all on me. I'm 5'2", and this is me standing next to the light, and this is why I had to take the extenders off. It looked crazy. Now time for installation.
I'm the fool. Like I should've listened when they said that you would treat me like he did. Don't think you care about me. Oh, girl, I care about you. But you don't care about nobody. Nobody but you.
Once you have everything installed, in order to put the light on the ceiling, it is a two-man job. So make sure you have someone helping you. My daughter did have to help me out. So let's say a two-woman job. All in all, I'm very pleased with the outcome of this light. Tune into my next video because I will be upgrading the other light that's located in my living room. Now, I cannot stand these boob lights, but this looks beautiful. I want to say thank you to me because I did that. Not that, the other light. All right, make sure you like and hit that subscribe button.